suppose I consider a triangle. Suppose I consider a triangle ABC with this angle, let I say X, then this will become automatically 90 minus X. Why? Because the addition of three angles of a any triangle is 180. If I say this is 90, that means if angle B is 90, angle A plus angle C should be equal to 90. So if I say angle A plus angle C should be equal to 90, and if I consider angle A as X, then what will be angle C, my dear friends? Angle C will be equal to 90 minus X. So these are called as the complementary angles. Now whenever I say these are the complementary angles, what is the basic? We want to find out the trigonometric ratios of these complementary angles. Now I will go for the one more basic. Suppose I say sine of 90 A. If I say let sine of A, sine of A is equal to what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. That means it will be BC upon AB. Sorry, it is BC upon AC, isn't it? Yes, no? Now, if
Yes,
I
sir.
say sine of 90 minus A, sine of 90 minus A means what? If this is A, this will become sine of 90 minus A. That means angle has been changed. Actually, this is sine of 90 minus A. That means it is a sine C. But how I will write it? Sine of 90 minus C is equal to what, dear friends? That is opposite side. What it is? AB upon AC. बरोबर आहे का? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But sine of 90 minus theta, I will ask you the one more thing. Suppose if I say cos A, what is cos A? Yes, what is cos A? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. What is adjacent? AB upon AC. Now, if you observe the two different things, here you can check this is cos A and this is sine of 90 minus A. Both values are same. So what it indicates? Sine of 90 minus A, that is I can say in general sine of 90 minus theta is always equal to cos theta. Similarly, suppose if I want to find out cos of 90 minus A, suppose if I say cos of 90 minus A, cos of 90 minus A will be what? Where is the 90 minus A angle? Here is the 90 minus A. Cos is adjacent, that is nothing but BC upon hypotenuse, that is AC. But if you again check, you can observe sine A is BC upon AC. Cos of 90 minus A is also BC upon AC. What it indicates? Cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. सो मी कालपासून तुम्हाला मित्रांनो तेच सांगतोय. काय लक्षात ठेवायचंय? S is converted into C and C is converted into S. So if you know basics, you can easily convert the sine of 90 minus theta or cos of 90 minus theta. So here just I will move forward. Tan A. Tan A is equal to opposite upon adjacent, not hypotenuse. So it is a BC upon AB. And the same thing, I write here one more. Cot A. Tan is what? Opposite to a cot. Or cot is what? Opposite to tan. So cot is adjacent upon opposite. That is nothing but AB upon BC. Now I write here cot of 90 minus A. Cot of 90 minus A. Now just observe, dear friends. If this is A, where is 90 minus A? This one. Now if I say cot of 90 minus A, if I say 90 minus A or 90 minus A, this is the angle. Now here what we are saying, adjacent, what upon adjacent upon opposite, isn't it? So what is the adjacent? BC.
Yes.
And what is the opposite? AB. Same thing, I am going for one more. let us say find the tan of 90 minus a. Tan of 90 minus a is what? Opposite to this. This is 90 minus a. Opposite upon adjacent, that is equal to AB upon BC. Now if we check in detail, you can observe this is tan of A and this is cot of 90 minus A. Right sides of both in both the equations are same, and therefore you can say tan A is equal to cot of 90 minus A. And same thing, if you observe, cot A is equal to tan of 90 minus A. Again, right sides are same. So I say cot A is equal to tan of 90 minus A, or you can say 90 minus theta. So keep in mind, sine converts to cos, cos converts to sine, tan converts to cot, cot converts to tan. And now the one more remaining, we will continue after this. So the last point, that is if you continue in the same way, you can say sec of 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, and cosec of 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. So now you are having 6 formulas with you, but how to utilize we will check in the subsequent problems. Okay. Here they say tan 65 upon cot 25, find the value. First thing, we know that tan 25, tan 65 and cot 25, I will convert either 65 to 25 or 25 to 65. So I know cot 25 is equal to tan of 90 minus 25, that is equal to tan 65. So instead of cot 25, I put here tan 65. So it becomes tan 65 upon tan 65, that is equal to 1. What they have given, sine 3a is equal to cos of a minus 26. Find the value of a. The first thing, instead of finding the value of a, we know that sine theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta, that is 90 minus 3a. So instead of writing sine 3a, I can write cos of 90 minus 3a. But now from these two equations, I can say cos of a minus 26 is equal to cos of 90 minus 3a, because I know the value of sine 3a. I will put this value of sine in the equation 1. I put this value in equation 1. So it will become cos of 90 minus 3a is equal to cos of a minus 26. Now if I say it is a cos of a minus 26, in both the on both the sides the function is same, that is cos, that means angle should be same. If the function is same, don't cancel out the cos. That is the one more thing. We are saying that the functions are same, therefore the angle should be same, and therefore I can say 90 minus 3a is equal to a minus 26. So I will just change the sides of the angle. 3a will move on this side, so a plus 3a, it will become 4a, and 90 plus 26 will become 116. So 116 upon 4 is equal to 116 upon 4 is equal to a. So it will become, I think it will become 29. So a is equal to 29 degrees. So I can clearly indicate a is equal to 29 degrees. Okay. First one is sine 18 upon cos 72. I will convert either 72 into 18 or 18 into 72. So I know that sine theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. So whenever I will convert, what I say, it is a cos of 90 minus 18 upon cos 72. So both numerator as well as denominator will become cos 72, and hence they will get cancelled and I will get answer 1. Same thing, the next one is tan 26 upon cot 64. Again the same thing. I will convert either 26 into 64 or 64 into 26. I know that tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta, or cot theta is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. मी मुद्दाम एकदा न्यूमरेटर कन्वर्ट केला, एकदा डिनॉमिनेटर कन्वर्ट करतो. So what it will become? Tan of 90 minus 64, and here it is tan of 26. So again the same thing. This is tan 26 upon tan 26. So both will get cancelled, and I will get answer as 1. Question is tan 48 tan 23 tan 42 and tan 67 is equal to 1. The first thing, observe it carefully. Is the sum of two digits becoming 90? Yes. 48 plus 42 is 90, and 23 and 67 becomes 90. So I should have to convert tan into cot or cot into tan. Why I am telling you, मी जर tan 42 घेतला आणि त्याला मी cot 48 मध्ये कन्वर्ट केला तर tan आणि cot कॅन्सल होईल, because tan is 1 by cot. Okay, so just observe carefully what I am doing. So I will write here, this is tan of theta, tan of 48. I keep it as it is, and I convert this term. I just change the color. I'll convert this term into cot of 90 minus theta, that is cot of 90 minus 42. Same thing, I'll retain the next term as it is, that is tan 23, and convert the tan 67 into cot of 90 minus theta, that is cot of 90 minus 67. Now you can observe, this is tan 48 and this is cot 48. So this tan 48 into cot 48, this is tan 23 into cot 23. But we already know tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, isn't it? So what will happen? I can put here, instead of tan, I can put 1 by cot. So this will become 1 upon cot 48. You can directly cancel, पण तुमचा पहिलाच problem आहे म्हणून मी असं लिहितोय. Otherwise, you can cancel the tan and cot if they are multiplying, because 1 by tan is equal to cot, or 1 by cot is equal to tan. Same thing, I will say it is tan 23, and this will be 1 upon tan 23. So what will happen? Every term will get cancelled, and you will get answer as 1. So again the same thing in this case, if you observe cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52 equal to 0, we should have to prove it. I just said we know that sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta, or cos theta is equal to sine of 90 minus theta. So what I will do in this case, I will say, let this is cos of 38. Instead of that, I will say this is cos of, or you can do anything. तुम्ही कुठल्याही एका टर्मला चेंज करा, एका टर्मला चेंज करा, म्हणजे दोन्ही साइन मध्ये आणा किंवा काही करा. So I am changing this cos 38, cos of theta is equal to sine of 90 minus theta. So I will write in that way. Just check it what I am doing. Sine of 90 minus 38. Why? Because cos theta is equal to sine of 90 minus theta. Same thing for this also. I will say it is sine of 90 minus theta, that is sine of 90 minus 52. Remaining terms I am not going to change at all. So sine 38 and sine 52. Now just check, 90 minus 38 becomes 52. So it becomes sine 52, and this becomes sine of 90 minus 52, that is nothing but sine 38, and this is sine 38, sine 52. So if you observe, this term and this term is same, so automatically this will be equal to 0. Any problem? Yes.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So what they have asked in this question, if tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 and if 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So what I say in this case, let I say tan of 2a, but I know that tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. So I can write this as cot of 90 minus theta. So it is a 90 minus 2a. So what will happen? Now these both the equation, that is equation 1 and 2 are same, that is the LHS is same, so RHS should be compared. So cot of a minus 18 should be equal to cot of 90 minus 2a. Now as the functions are same, the angles should be same, so it is a minus 18 is equal to 90 minus 2a. So I can say a plus 2a, that is nothing but 3a, is equal to 90 plus 18, that is equal to 108, and therefore a equal to 36 degrees. Any problem?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
If A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC, show that sine of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos of A by 2. First thing, ABC are the interior angles. That means I should have to know that A plus B plus C should be equal to 180 degrees. That is the basic. Now what I am saying, just check. I am writing these equations left side only, that is sine of b plus c upon 2. I will convert this in a different format. Let I say that this is equal to, आहे तसंच लिहितो मी, एक चेंज करतो, a प्लस बी प्लस सी मायनस ए. मी ए ऍड पण केला आणि सबट्रॅक्ट पण केला, म्हणजे काय केलं का रे? येस, मी काय केलं का
नाही
त्या
सर.
प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये? काहीच नाही केलं.
नाही.
पण साइन ऑफ ए प्लस बी प्लस सी म्हणजे किती? 180
180.
मायनस ए अपॉन 2, बट दॅट इज इक्वल टू साइन ऑफ, आज चेक करा 180 बाय 2 किती होईल? 90 मायनस ए बाय 2, बट साइन ऑफ 90 मायनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू व्हॉट? cos theta, म्हणजे cos of a by 2. Hence proved. That is the much simpler problem. Just you should have to think in a different way.